Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to determine the relationship between these lines. The first thing we want to do is check the direction vectors to see if they are parallel. The direction vector for the first one is -4, 1, -6, and the direction vector for the second line is 3, 2, -3, so no, they are certainly not parallel. The next thing we want to do is set up a system of equations where we set the x components, y components, and z components equal to each other. Well, 1 minus 4t equals 2 plus 3s, 3 plus t equals 2s, and 8 minus 6t equals -1 minus 3s. So the easiest one to solve is this middle one. We get t equals 2s minus 3. Now we need to determine if these, since they are not parallel, actually I should write this out, not parallel. So since these are not parallel, we should determine if they're skew or intersecting. To do so, let's plug this into both equations. First, this one, 1 minus 4 times 2s minus 3 equals 2 plus 3s. So 1 minus 8s plus 12 equals 2 plus 3s. And we end up with 13 here minus 2 equals 11s. So s equals 1. All right, let's do the same thing here. We have 8 minus 6 times 2s minus 3 equals -1 minus 3s. 8 equals, minus 12s plus 18 equals 1 minus 3s. And what does this yield? We add 12 to both sides to get 9s here. And then we're left with 8 plus 18, so 26 minus 125. S equals 9 over 25. These do not match. So these lines are skew. That means when you graph these in 3 space, they don't touch each other. They are not parallel. All right, now we're going to determine the relationship between these two lines. And we can quickly see that their direction vectors are not parallel. So let's go ahead and set up our system of equations again. We have -1 plus 3t equals 2 minus 2s. And that is just taking the x components from both. So let's do the same for the y components. This time I'll go ahead and highlight them just for ease of viewing. So 1 plus 0t equals 1 plus s. All right, let's do that again. The z components. And we have 2 plus t equals 3 minus 2s. So clearly this middle one is the easiest to solve, be it s equals 0. So let's put that into both. Here, what do we get? Well, -1 plus 3t equals 2. 3t equals 3. T equals 1. Let's see if we get the same thing here. So 2 plus t equals 3. T equals 1 for sure. These match up. Now to figure out where these intersect, let's go ahead and let t equal 1 here to get -1 plus 3 times 1, comma, 1 plus 1 times 0, comma, and then this last one is 2 plus 1 times 1. So this is what, 2, 1, 3. And then when we let s equal 0, it's a much easier point here, since letting s equal 0 makes this vanish. 2, 1,